Hello, this is Ashay and you are watching Yangistan News. Chief Minister of Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray has announced Mission Begin Again once again. The funny thing is, these rules are inclined towards closing down many things, but yet it is called Mission Begin Again. Thackeray has previously responded to all the district collectors of Maharashtra to take decisions according to the conditions of their respective states of COVID-19. Yet these new rules will be imposed on all the residents of Maharashtra from the midnight of 27th March to 15th of April. What will remain closed and what will be open, we will see in this video. Let's see details of the rules. From 28th March, not more than 5 people will be allowed to gather at one place in the night time. This night curfew was imposed earlier, but the date of the night curfew is extended till 15th of April. Before this, the timing was from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the next morning, but the new timings are 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. People who will break this rule will be fined for ₹1,000. People who will not wear masks will be fined for ₹500, and those who will spit at the public places will be fined for ₹1,000. Gardens and all public places will be closed from the 28th of March in the night time. Hotels, malls, restaurants are also getting closed in the night time from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the next morning, though they are allowed to do home deliveries in this time. No religious, social or political gatherings are allowed in the period of lockdown. Auditoriums are allowed for plays only. It can't be used for any other purposes. The next rule is only 50 people are allowed in the marriage functions. Previously this limit was of 200 people, but now, like previous days in the first corona wave, 50 people are allowed for the marriages. 20 people are allowed for the funerals. Houses where COVID patients are found will be given a board on them. Boards or signs will be pasted on those houses where the COVID patients are found. Those patients who are in home quarantine have to produce all their informations, like who is treating them, who is taking care of them, to the local authorities. And if you do not do that, you will be fined accordingly. People are advised to work from home. People are also advised, if it is not necessary, you shouldn't go to the offices. Offices are also advised to call less and less staff for the daily operations. No production activity will be stopped in this period of lockdown. There will be no changes in the rules of containment zones. Everything will be closed as it was earlier. So check if you are in a containment zone or if you are around a containment zone. The second wave in Maharashtra is more deadly than the first wave we all faced in the last year. The numbers which we saw in the peak time last year are the initial realities of this new second wave. So people are advised to follow these guidelines from government of Maharashtra and stay safe. For more videos like this, please like this video, share if you like this video and subscribe to Yangistan News. I am Ashay signing off. Thank you.